Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In my last video, I unboxed and swatched the Butterfly Dreams Maxi set from the Mini Macaron, and in today's video, I'm going to use that set to create a butterfly nail art design inspired by the pink monarch butterflies on the gift box. I'm going to start with 2 coats of Lily Rose, which is a light pink shade from the set, and I'm going to cure that in my lamp after each coat. In hindsight, since this is just a base for the gradient, I could have just applied 1 coat of Lily Rose as the base, but I applied 2, so that's what I'm showing you here. For this butterfly wing design, I wanted to do a diagonal gradient with Lily Rose and Peony Desire, which are both from the set, and I started by applying Lily Rose at a diagonal in the top left corner of my nail, and then I filled in the rest of my nail with Peony Desire. Then I use an ombre brush to blend those 2 colors together, and if you don't have an ombre brush, you could also just wipe off the gel from one of the brushes and use that to blend the colors together. Before I cured it, I just wiped off any gel that got onto my skin while blending, and then I cured it for 60 seconds in the lamp. And I just repeated that process one more time to build up the colors and make the gradient more opaque. I'll add a little bit of sparkle to these butterflies, just like the ones on the gift box, with 1 coat of Glitter Utopia, which has some small silver holographic glitters, and then I'll cure that in the lamp. And for the butterfly details, I'm going to use Licorice Dream and a detail brush to paint a curved line in the top left corner of my nail, and then 4 to 5 lines coming outwards from that curved line, kind of like a stick figure sun. Then I connected those lines with some U shapes to create a scalloped edge, and I filled in the scalloped edge with Licorice Dream. And once I was done filling that in, I cured it in the lamp. And to add some finishing details to this butterfly wing, I'm going to use Milkshake and a small dotting tool to create some small white dots on top of that black scalloped edge. And because I just applied some really small dots, I'm going to give that a really quick cure in the lamp for about 15 seconds. And to finish off this butterfly wing design, I added 1 layer of the gel shine top coat to smooth everything out and add a super glossy shine. And I cured that for one last time in the LED lamp. Here is the finished sparkly pink monarch butterfly wing design, and that's all for today's nail art using the Butterfly Dreams Maxi set from the Mini Macaron. And if you missed the unboxing and swatch video of the Butterfly Dreams set, I'll leave a link on your screen and down below so you can check that out if you want. And don't forget, you can also get 10% off at minimacaron.com with my code caramellogram10. But that's all for today's video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!